Hi, welcome to my C++ language tutorial. In this tutorial we shall learn about the basic structure of a C++ program. For learning this tutorial, you need Dev C++, which is a C++ IDE. You can download this IDE from the link given below in description. I've downloaded the IDE and it is opened. So, let's get started with the basic structure. At the top of program, we need to type preprocessors that includes the given library file into the program. In our basic Hello World program, we need to output some text. That's why I am including our stream library that we use for input and output on the screen. There are two methods of declaring a library. In the first method, we use angle brackets like this one. But in the second one, we use quotation marks. Note that each preprocessor starts with a hash symbol followed by include. The include is the library folder if C++ standard library. Now in the new line, I am using a namespace std. If we don't include this namespace, we shall have to type std before each output and input line in our whole code. I'll tell you later about this when we shall learn about namespaces. See course details in description for more information. Let's go to our main function. This is the main function in C++ programming language. In this line, int is the return type of main function which stands for integer. The main is the name of function and two round brackets tells the compiler that this is a function. The code of main function is written between these two curly brackets. Now I am writing a line to output some text. In C++, we use cout with two start angle brackets to output something next to brackets. Now as we have to output some string text, I am writing a string hello world. Note that a string is declared with quotations in C++ language. Like this. The semicolon is statement terminator in C++ language as we used above with namespace. This is a common mistake to forget to type semicolon. Be careful. At the end of main function always return a 0 value. This is not useful yet but it will be useful when we shall learn about function parameters and returns later in course. Now, we've learned the basic structure of C++ programming language. Let's compile to check if there is any error. There is no error or warning. It is okay. Now pressing the run button to see the output of code. Here you can see the output of code and some stuff text below. The output is hello world as I typed in cout line. The text below is time of program execution. You can also see the return value of main function in this text which is 0. This was our first lecture. See you in next lecture.